How to turn off ultra battery saver mode on Android phone. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So open up your phone and locate the settings icon, usually a gear. And once you open it up, settings opens up. Now from settings, look for a section related to battery. This one right here, which is battery and device care. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you need to look for the option battery right here. Tap on it. And after tapping on battery, look for the option called battery saver, device care, power saving, similar kind of options. So all you gotta do is look for this option, power saving or protect battery. If any of these options are turned on your screen like this, all you gotta do is simply turn off these options, and when you do, it will turn off the ultra battery saver mode on your Android phone. So that is how you do it following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.